Hi, I'm Frank, and I'm here to help explain from a technical perspective how using Sage ERPX3 can accelerate your business exchanges.
And I'm Bill. I'm here to explain why that's important, in layman's terms.
Sage ERPX3 helps your company improve control over its processes while dramatically reducing workload and paper-based tasks with its flexible workflow engine. It provides triggered task lists and cross-process actions that accelerate the processing of information under conditions that you control.
Bottom line is that Sage ERPX3 has a powerful workflow engine that enables users to work much more efficiently. The workflow engine can be configured to start, stop, or direct tasks in response to a user's action. Let's say a machine on the shop floor experiences an unscheduled maintenance which causes a delay in the production schedule and the expected receipt date of that product. This change in production affects customer orders, so a workflow is triggered to monitor the expected delivery date, while a notification is sent out to internal and external personnel like the purchasing manager, sales team, and even customers that the orders are going to be delayed. That workflow process, embedded in Sage ERPX3, automatically ensures that users are immediately notified about this unexpected event. Then they can address it without disrupting other orders in the queue.
The cool thing for us IT guys is that the workflow engine comes pre-configured, yet is fully customizable to implement company-specific procedures and processes. And the workflow engine works in real time, so exchanges occur instantly and concurrently.
The workflow engine really streamlines things and accelerates collaboration between employees, business partners, even customers, while keeping quality procedures under control. Okay, so the workflow engine pushes information to users, identifying business processes and tasks that need to be addressed. How does a user then navigate the system to complete that work?
Well, for users, processing tasks with Sage ERPX3 is simple and intuitive. With Sage Visual Processes, users have access to a graphical, process-oriented interface that provides a clear view of the task to accomplish and the different steps required to complete it.
Right you are, Frank. With Sage Visual Processes, users are just a few clicks away from completing any task. It's really a new way of using an ERP system.
Which leads me to my next point. Another way that Sage ERPX3 is user-friendly is that it can be run on a Windows client or in a web browser. Either way, they have the same access to the system wherever they are.
Really, you can access Sage ERPX3 wherever you are, whether you're working from home or traveling with your laptop. Can't you even access certain capabilities using a smartphone?
You can. Mobile access to Sage ERPX3 is available through the Sage Enterprise Webtop, another core feature, and it also gives you the potential to broaden your user base to include non-core users. It's an ideal option for sales reps and B2B customers.
Exactly. Well, we hope that you've got a better understanding now of how Sage ERPX3 was designed to accelerate the exchanges between employees, partners, really anyone with access to the system. For more information about Sage ERPX3, please check out sageerpx3.us.